Hi, we are Team 17. This is our phase 1 of the project. These are our team members. We need to collect the tweets. We collected the tweets for Hurricane. In order to collect the tweets, we need the Tweets API. To get the Tweets API, we need to have the Twitter account. So we created this Twitter create new app, and after creating this, we get a access tokens. We need to use this access tokens in the collections.py, which is the Python program which we run in the command prompt. We need to use these access tokens here. After using these access tokens, we need to collect the tweets. We collected the tweets here for Hurricane. After collecting more than 100k tweets, we stopped the program. These are the tweets collected by us, tweets.txt, which are greater than 100k. After that, we use the program hashtweets.py to separate the hashtags and URLs from the tweets which we obtained. After executing the word count program, we got the output as follows. These are the outputs of the hashtags. These are the outputs of the URLs. Which are shown below. And these are the input and output log files after using the Apache Hadoop. This is the first phase of our project. The second phase of the project is to be continued.
These are the queries that we use in the Scala. Here are all the 10 queries that we used. In this, the first query is used to select the user location, count of the follows for the user from the tweets. And the next one is used to count the number of tweets where the tweet contains the word hurricane. The next one is used to get the tweet time and the tweet count of the user in the month of September, which have been selected by using the function substring as shown. The next one is used to display the table containing name and favorites count of a user from the tweet data who has tweeted about the word hurricane. The next query is used to give the username and the origin country of the user who has tweeted from United States and his origin country is not null. In the next query, we demonstrate the join query by combining the queries 4 and 5, which gives a result containing the username, favorites count, and the place of country of the user who has tweeted from United States and who about hurricane based on the username. The next query is used to print the top 10 verified users. Top 10 verified users from the followers count. The next query is used to print the details of the user in descending order based on the followers count. And the last one is used to get the month and time and the name of the user where user has tweeted on based on the word hazard. We can run this file to get all the outputs at a single time. program is starting to run. And output runs as shown below. It takes about some 10 minutes to run all the queries. So now as the execution is complete, the process has finished with the exit code 0. Now let's see all the outputs from the first one. This is the output for the first code. Here the location and the followers count are given as output. And the second code gives the number of tweets with hurricanes in it. Similarly, we get the name, month, time, and the count of tweets based on the grouped on the tweet user. We get the output. Here is the number of queries that have been tweeted in September. This is for the output for the next query. This is the output for the query with the user origin location who has tweeted from United States. This is the output for the tweet with top 10 verified users based on the followers count. And similarly, we get all the outputs. And this is the last one. Some of the queries can be visualized by using graphs. In this, we have done visualizations for some of the queries that we have done earlier. This is the first one, which shows the tweets from different locations from the users. This is the second one, in which it shows the bar graph of the tweets of various users from various locations. In this, we can observe that the second one has a lot of tweets, and the first one, the Connecticut, has only around 380 tweets, Houston, and so on. The Georgia state has the least tweets in this scenario. Coming to this is a box. This is a box plot in which one is the tweets from the USA and two are the tweets from the rest of the world. In this, we can observe that in this scenario, the tweets from USA are high in number and less in number from the rest of the world. Coming to this shows the tweets count based on the locations in which the tweets are written about hurricane. So we can see that Trumpville is a location which has a lot of tweets, and College Park, Chicago have the least number of tweets. We can differentiate each of them by the color change and also the name written addition to them. This is a dot chart which shows the number of tweets, the number of follows for the verified channels. As we did the query in a descending order, CNN has the most number of tweets, and so on the tweets reduce. This is also a pie chart, in which the tweets, the number of tweets can be seen as there's a large difference between them in the gap wise.